Our city's ditches help move water away during heavy rain events. Most are maintained by city crews. We spotted one of those that was in need of a big-time cleaning effort. In fact, city crews had to bring out the big heavy equipment here on the Crossgate ditch along Dallas and Yorktown. This one is, of course, one of many waterways the city has had to maintain year-round. As you can see, there's been quite a buildup of sediment and plants along the floor of the ditch, impeding the flow of water. The start of hurricane season coming up in just over a month, and this work here may end up paying off if the storm hits.
We do know where, those, like I said, those locations where we do have concern about, either water standing or potential issues with drainage. So we will send our in-house forces out there to make sure that we do have drainage.
Works Director Ernie de la Garza also told 3 News they cleaned the inlets to ensure that private property doesn't get impacted by backed up water during a heavy rain event or a hurricane. By the way, the Stormwater Maintenance of Lines Division is responsible for cleaning more than 18,000 storm drain inlets throughout the city of Corpus Christi. That is a big job to do right there.